Hello everyone, today I would like to share my experience in participating a fieldwork related to plant field. The title of the fieldwork is Plant Collections and Sampling in the Field. This fieldwork is done under plant diversity subjects during my second year. So there are four objectives of the fieldwork. First is to study the proper technique for taking sample of plants. Second, to identify the important parts or key features of plant that must be taken for sample and species identification. Third, to learn the ways and things that need to be included in the plant sample documentation. Fourth, or the last one, is to learn plant preservation. So basically, the materials that were used throughout this study is gardening tools with some additionals of scientific tools. For example, clipper to cut plants, notebook and 2B pencils to jot down field notes of the plants, plastic bag to put the collected plants. Fourth is scholarly text to label the plant sample. 6. Plant presser and plant dryer, which is used to preserve the plant sample. An umbrella, which is necessary. It is used when it is raining while collecting the plants in the field. And every student must put on proper outfit during the fieldwork. 9 is GPS device, which is used to locate the location of the plant samples. Last but not least is all newspaper, which is used to keep the plant specimens to ensure the collected plants in a good conditions for preservation later. So basically for this fieldwork on about related to plant field, the sampling is direct. This means that we need to go to the field to make a plant sampling. The fieldwork is conducted at Bukit UMS nearby to ITBC. So during the fieldwork, we were accompanied by one lab botanist assistant and one lecturer expert in plant field too. Both are responsible to assist the students in learning plant scope. So to conduct this fieldwork, the important equipments like mentioned earlier will bring along to the fields. At the Bukit UMS, the lab botanist assistants gave briefing to the students before starting to demonstrate the proper technique of collecting plants in the field. During the short fieldwork, the lab assistant explained on how to determine the plant type based on their growth habits. For example, shrubs, trees, creepers, or climbers. Then, before we take the plant sample, we need to take the field notes of the plants. The data recorded were including collection number, plant's name, the locality of the collected plant description, which is basically on or usually about the morphology of the plants. Okay, then about the plant's habitat, the collection date, and also the collector's name. Then the collection of plants can be proceed after we take the field notes of the plant. So in collecting the plant specimens, the specimen should be as complete as possible and in perfect conditions. The parts collected were including the plant's fruits and flowers, leaves, route if possible. This is done to ensure the identification of the specimen will be easier later, as the features needed for identification is enough or complete, and each of the specimens will be tagged with generally text that has been written with the plant's field notes that we have taken before starting collecting the specimen. Next, the specimens were brought to ITBC lobby and curated, followed by praising process by using the plant praises. After half hour later, were transferred onto the acid-free paper and permanently affixed. Last but not least, the documentations of the specimens, same like on the generally text, were done on the acid paper to provide important informations on the plant species, which is now known as voucher specimens. The voucher specimen then kept in the ITBC herbarium for future reference. Then, after the completion of this plant diversity short fieldwork, the tools as well as the place used to conduct this fieldwork is ensured in good and orderly conditions. For example, during at Bukit UMS, rubbish is not dumped everywhere in the Bukit UMS forest. If rubbish is found, it will be collected for disposal later at proper place. Not only that, the tools utilized were ensured not be left in the sampling area before moving to other plants for collecting specimens or going back to ITBC. The excess parts of the plant that are not collected are ensured not to obstruct the pathway. Meanwhile, after done doing curating the specimen, ITBC lobby was cleaned up. All the waste were thrown into the dustbin. All the tables were neatly arranged before going back. Finally, the equipments that were used throughout the study were gathered according to group before giving back them to the lab assistant. A list of tools and group names was included for review purposes. Any loss will be reported to the lab assistant. All equipment is ensured in good and complete conditions. In conclusion, at the end of this fieldwork, students be able to apply the correct technique of collecting plant sample in the field. Second, students know how to identify plant types and its family to species levels based on their growth habit and morphology. Third, students be able to document and preserve plants voucher specimen. Fourth, student can identify which parts of this plant should be present in making plant specimen. Finally, students know the importance of doing a good plant specimens. So that's all for my sharing today on my experience in participating plant fields fieldwork. Thank you.